All right, what is up, guys? Today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I went up to Overland Expo Colorado Mtn West, or whatever the hell it's called. Yeah, we went up there last weekend, so I just kind of got a couple clips of the event and what was going on, and yeah, a sneak peek from Peak Suspension. So us Colorado boys, better stay tuned for that. Check it out, see what he had to say. Stay tuned. Keep watching.
Beautiful morning in Denver. Scattered clouds, good visibility, light winds out.
All right, guys, check out our Airbnb over here. It is really echoey. I can't, bro. This is our Airbnb. It's a lavish town home in Loveland over here, I guess. Yeah, it smells like new house still already. Yeah. Check out our little outdoors section. What's going on here? The kitty cat. It's a little stuffy upstairs a little bit. I think this is our room right here. Yeah. We're over here at Overland Expo Colorado. We set up for the day out here, so we'll see you guys tomorrow, Friday morning. Yeah, this is the little setup right here. We're not fully up right now, but we'll get there eventually. This is the two rigs, a TRX with the 80D bomber front bumper with 3 triple Baja Designs lights, and the Bronco, DV8 Bronco. I'm not sure what type of bumper that is. What is that, babe?
That's a Spec Series bumper.
Spec Series bumper, so.
Spec Series front, FS15 rear.
Yeah, we'll probably have Nate do a little rundown. We tried today, but it was too windy, so.
Yeah. What's up, guys? This is Nick from Peak Suspension. Wanted to talk to you guys about what we have coming out. 23 Colorado Canyon. We're also working on the 23 Colorado Canyon AT4X and ZR2. We just picked up our AT4X on Tuesday, so we're stoked to get ready on the R&D process. We had an AT4 in our shop. We've been measuring and R&Ding a lot of projects as that. So we have about 6 products in production right now. We'll be releasing the new Clover conversion soon on the new DSSVs. We'll be doing control arms, we're doing lift kits. Our 2.5-inch Clover will be coming probably later in the year. We're really working on getting a lot of this stuff out as quick as we can. It's just been hard with the rollout and getting actual vehicles in for testing. With our truck, we're really happy to get, as soon as we get back, we're tearing this thing apart. So keep an eye out for what we have going on. A lot of updates coming up on our socials. Check out this guy's YouTube video, because I'm sure we send parts over to him to be on shred test for us. So yeah, just stay tuned.
What's up, guys? This is Nate here with ADD and DVA. I'm gonna show you our Bronco build that we got here. We had a dude who lives here in Colorado. We sponsored him up, brought it down for us so we could show it off. So this is our Spec Series front bumper. It's our latest series, winch keeper. Multiple lighting options. We mount lights up here, over here. We got our winch, 12,000-pound winch. Our pocket fairly. Quad lights right here on both sides. These are our ambers. The Spec Series actually comes with that skid plate that you see down there, which is pretty cool. On this side, we got our 2 fender flares. This guy threw on some brand new 37-inch Open Country MTs. FS15 rock sliders right here. We'll open it up. Got Chick-fil-A right here. Woo! Now here's our door pocket molly panels. Gives you more space to throw stuff in there. Nice. You don't have a saggy net. Same. Here's our 2 fender flares. In the back we got our FS15 high character bumper with our amber flush mount lights. And on top, that's our soft top roof rack for Bronco.
I hope that fucking came through. It was really windy. I hope you guys can hear that. There it is.
That's
The brother. That's the brother. That's the brother. All right, good. Perfect. Well, it's another rainy day out here in Expo. Hope I don't slip.
My old Jeep in the truck, money on jacket, she's a party all night. How's it been since you got out of Tennessee? We're up there, how's your family? Swear I would if I could. I'm parking lot, taking the night off. Making my stop, it's the last time tonight. Dress got your boy saying red, pulling me to bed. One of us gotta go for a cold rush in the back of his truck. And if that sounds like you might be one of us. Yeah.
I don't mind it.
Damn, look at that thing. Oh, this big old pile of shit Toyota. Who the hell's gonna buy a hybrid off-roading truck? Come on, man. That shit is fucking stupid. Don't even get me started about grandma's grocery getter. Alright, what up YouTube? This is day 3, the end of day 3. We're out here in the storm. This goddamn twister out here today. Those Colorado clouds. Said there's supposed to be 50-mile-an-hour winds and rain. And we're waiting for our box right now. So we have to put all the shit in the box to ship it home, and our box is all messed up. So it's gonna be interesting. Alright guys, I hope you like this video. It's a little bit different. We were working at Overland Expo this weekend, so I got a couple videos of the new rigs, but right now we're holding out the storm out here in Colorado. So I'll give you a little update on how we're doing with the twister going on. Apparently, look at all these bozos in here not trying to hang out with me in the nature of beautiful Colorado out here. Oh, look at that. Dang. All right, guys, check out these guys' lifestyle campers out here. They got some sweet, really good price campers. Yeah. The guy running this booth is actually Overland North America. He's a cool dude. We talked to him all weekend. He was our neighbors over here. So check it out. He's a good dude. Makes some Tacoma 4Runner content, so check them out. Every goddamn Overland Expo, it rains like crazy. Every time. Beautiful GMC Canyon over there.